Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Martin with Bellavore Auto Spa, and today's video is going to be just a quick look, review at this Ryobi electric sprayer. Now, if you follow my channel, you probably follow it for car detailing, and that's exactly where this thing fits in. Now, you have your trigger sprayers, you've got pump sprayers, you got big pump sprayers and foamers. None of those require any electricity, but they do either require, trigger sprayers and pump sprayers require manual labor to spray or pump them. Some pump sprayers utilize a Schrader valve, as you've seen, where you can use an air compressor, whether it's a full-size one or a little tiny mini one, to pressurize it. But then we have the alternative, which is electric. Now this, I guess, is similar to my electric foamer because it's battery powered and cordless. My electric foamer, the SPTA foamer, you can check out that review. That does work as a sprayer and a foamer, so this is similar. Now this is going to be for bigger jobs. That other sprayer I like to use for wheels, and this one I think it's 1 gallon capacity. You can get them bigger ones, you can get backpack ones if you want them. People use these for all different reasons, and the beauty of this is instead of charging it, you charge the battery. Any Ryobi 1+ batteries will fit this. I've got these 4 amp hour batteries. I've also got 2 amp hour batteries, and they just connect right there. And if you start to lose power, your battery starts to die, you can just swap out the battery and throw this one on the charger. So that's what I like. I like when power tool companies get into that. I wish Ryobi did have like a foamer. Maybe they will one day. Maybe they'll get more into detailing. I know they have a polisher, which is not that great, but it's not necessarily made for detailing, so I'm sure people find use for it. Anyways, let me go ahead and break it down for you guys. So the handle sits up here, or the sprayer, I guess. So here's the wand. There's the end of the wand, and it, if I can get that to focus, you can twist it to adjust the fan, like so. You screw this in. This doesn't come assembled, so you screw this in here. You might want to screw that in here, and then over in this part, you want to make sure you screw that in. So pretty simple. Make sure everything's nice and tight, and airtight, liquid tight, so you don't have leaks everywhere. And then they also give you, this is how you fill it. So this is a little cap that screws on, and it's got measurements on it, so you can use it for measuring. Then you just dump your liquids right in there. Now, just because I'm doing a video, I will take this apart fully. It's got one of these clamps on each side. And then you can take it off here. So this is a pickup tube. It's got a little screen on it, so nothing gets clogged in there. And this is like, the pump motor unit, and it's got the little hole here. See that? And that's where your pickup tube goes. It's not where you fill it from though, but that's just if you need to take it apart. But thankfully, you rarely have to do that. Now, let's see if I can get this back together. So this sits in here nicely. You can get that in right. That way you can just hold it like this. You don't have, if you need the extra range, you can, two-hand it, but it does this, so you can also one-hand it, which is nice. And then it's got these little grooves on here, so you can set the hose in there, so it'll hold on to your hose. And it's not drooping all over the place. So really not a bad design. Now I'm gonna fill it up and just, show you guys how it works. It's a sprayer, so nothing fancy. You can use degreasers in this, whatever you want, whatever kind of chemical you want. I'm just going to put water in it just for demonstration, because there's no difference between using water or whatever else. This thing's terrible, leaking all over the place. Very bad spout design. The review's not about that. Now make sure you put this on here. Now this has a rubber O-ring in it, a gasket, to create an airtight seal. If you do not have this on there, it will not work because it cannot pressurize. So after that's filled up, and just hitting myself with this wand. Slap your battery on here. Okay, now it says do not use without the tank, and on the other side it says, that's not leaking, it's just water that dripped over the side. The other side it says it in a different language. So this is the power button, so you just press this, turn it on, and there you go. It is a little bit noisy, but I'll show you guys how it sprays out. So let me point this at the floor. So you just pretty good, right? And again, if you want to adjust the fan, nice and wide, skinny, that's going to be perfect for me right there. And then if you need to, take this off and you can use this like that. And just press the power button and turn it back off. That easy. Now this doesn't use all that much battery power. So I think, you know, just off of one battery, even a 2 amp hour battery, you're gonna get a lot of use out of it before you have to change batteries. I've got like 6 different Ryobi batteries, or Ryobi, however you want to say it. So I mean, this is a great addition. If you use Ryobi power tools already, you're gonna have batteries. You can buy this. Don't quote me on it. I think it's about $50 to $100 in that range. I'll post a link below so you can see for yourself. They got all kinds of different ones, guys, and I've got a lot of Ryobi products. I've got this. I've got impact wrench, drill, leaf blower, that cordless pressure washer, a power washer, a little 600 psi one. So it's pretty nice. So all in all, you know, you can fill this up with your favorite degreaser, cleaner, whatever. You can use it to hose down the interior of a car. You can use it to spray degreaser in your wheel wells, wheel cleaner, whatever you want. You put whatever liquid in here you want. The only thing I would advise is if you're using acid cleaners, to flush it with water after, because acid cleaners will destroy your seals quickly. And I think they have some program where you can get like lifetime seals or something. You have to look that up, but I mean, it's just O-rings basically. But I like to avoid the use of acid products in fancier machines like this, just to avoid any issues you can run into. But that's it for the review, guys. You know, not a whole lot to it, but I just wanted to show you another great tool for detailing. When it comes to detailing, for me, I like to think outside the box. You know, use things that I'm not seeing advertised constantly, because obviously, other than my affiliate links, which doesn't make all that much money, I don't have a lot of money to make off this by selling this to you. Ryobi's not paying me a dime, but I think this is going to be really helpful. And you know, this is like a 2-for-1. You know, you can use it for detailing, you can use it for spraying weeds in your yard, whatever you need a sprayer for. You can use this. Even guys that do like commercial carpet cleaning or something, you can use this as your pre-treatment. Instead of buying some other machine that, you know, you got to plug in to charge. I like the ability to just swap out batteries. It's great. So Ryobi, if you guys are watching this, great job. I don't know if you intended that detailers are going to use this, but I definitely am. And if you guys come out with something similar that foams, oh my god, I will probably use that instead of my pump ones all the time, because it just makes life so much easier. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a like, comment below what your thoughts are, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and keep them clean.